Hey, good afternoon and welcome to another segment with Mears, Managing Broker at Sotheby's International Realty Canada here for Alberta in Calgary. Today I want to talk to you about listing presentations. Okay, so first of all, don't go in competing on price. No, you're going to go in and compete on your value. What are you bringing to the table? And to do that, you need to know your value. You need to understand your story, and you need to understand, what does the client need? What does Mr. and Mrs. Seller need, and by when do they need this? And you, as the problem solver, what are you bringing to the table? All right. Number two, to do that, you need to sometimes educate your clients. They might not understand why it's important to have good photos, have videos, do open houses, have it on the matrix system, heck, even have a sign on the property. Again, this is all up to you to educate the sellers. Also, keep your ears open, okay? There are signs when your seller kind of looks at you and he goes, oh, yeah, that kind of worked for my neighbor, but it's really not going to work for me. Okay, well, let's stop. Put your pen down. Take a moment. Why do you think that's not going to work for you? Has it been because you have an experience from the past? Was it a story that you heard? Again, listen for those cues, because those are the doubts that you want to clear up, so they'll press hard 3 copies. Oh, wait a minute, it's DocuSign, we don't do that anymore. Anyways, just dated myself. Practice your presentation. Every time you do a listing presentation, this is what I want you to think of. I want you to think that I just done it, and when I'm done, everybody's gonna go, woo! I'm joining you. I'm gonna sign. I'm gonna do whatever it takes, because that is the passion you wanna bring, okay? Because when you have that passion and they jump on board with you and they eat it up, they go, you're right, we do need those. You're right, I love that presentation you're bringing to the table. I love your brochures. I love the photos. I love the videos. They're going to go with you, because really, what else can they do? All right, make it a selling experience. I want you to think, when you go on a trip with the office, a corporate, Holiday Inn, Sandman Inn, hey, not a big deal. You take your family, or you take that someone special, you're taking it up a notch. You want to make sure you have nice sheets, that the service is perfect. You want to make sure you have the pool, everything else. It's all about the experience. So don't compete on price. Clients need to be educated. Master your presentation, and most of all, make sure it's an experience. Continue to be legendary, and go team go. Till next time.